I feel like say I saw them go about him. I don't feel like them if just pick a man and say, yo, this a man a king or this a woman a queen.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
People, what you not think? Drop it in the comment and tell me what you not think.
So yeah, say if them have a settings like that, then is it that the audience them are going to involve for vote?
Yes.
Okay, good.
You see me?
Sound like a good idea. Me da work with that.
Yeah, man.
Me da work with that.
And the next thing we want to talk about, the king of dancehall and the queen of dancehall, same way. Like how Cartel I king now, and Spice I queen. Me feel like them fi have a time limit.
Yeah.
And then fi have like, you know, more than love to see a king hand down the crown to another king. You see me? I say,
so when you say a time limit,
yes.
you mean like say okay, 5 years at the max.
Yeah.
And then somebody else have the crown.
Yes.
Pass it down to somebody else.
So who's to ever compete and win?
Oh.
And them get the crown.
Yeah.
And then the king who is the king now and the queen who is the queen now would then crown them.
Yes.
As the king and the queen.
Bro, if it's structured that way, I feel like it's a good idea.
Yeah.
You see me? So if they think about it, who's ever responsible for dancehall?